Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Stick around to see the world and your life in a different way. Today, our focus is on Émile Durkheim's explanation of anomie. Émile Durkheim was a French sociologist who studied the industrialization of society and the social upheavals this transition caused. He coined the term anomie to mean the condition in modern societies when people have weak connections or ties to social groups. And these weak social connections are due to rapid societal changes, contributing to the decline in shared values and morals. Anomie, also defined as normlessness, is the social uncertainty people can experience due to a lack of societal stability, as social rules and norms break down or change too quickly. Durkheim observed that all aspects of society were changing at the onset of industrialization during the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the United States. There was a mass migration from rural to urban settings, and during this time, the nature of labor changed as people adapted to living in cities. And these changes left people disconnected and isolated. And Durkheim believed that strong social ties and clear social norms for behaviors can help prevent anomie. When people feel connected to their community and clearly understand the social roles, they are less likely to experience anomie or normlessness. Today, the rapid pace at which technology is changing can contribute to a state of anomie as well. In 2023, Dr. Vivek Murthy, the U.S. Surgeon General, declared loneliness a public health crisis. And mental health disorders, including suicide rates, have been increasing over the last decade. For example, social media is a relatively new form of communication for humans and has changed how people connect with each other. It can feel overwhelming because there aren't clear rules about what's acceptable or what's expected, and people might feel pressured to portray a perfect life online, leading to stress and anxiety because they don't know how to measure up to the often unrealistic standards that are portrayed. When people lose their jobs or retire, they might feel like their lives have lost their direction, meaning, and purpose. American culture values work and achievement, and the usual roles and rules and expectations have suddenly changed when people leave their jobs. So, why is our understanding of anomie important? It helps us recognize the importance of strong social networks and clear guidelines for maintaining our social well-being. For example, we can seek out new friends, neighbors, support and interest groups, clubs, volunteer and spiritual groups, and community organizations for a sense of belonging, purpose, and meaning. And being familiar with the concept of anomie allows us to remember that we are not to blame for the disconnection and isolation we might feel in our own lives. Rather, these feelings are often the result of rapid changes, especially societal changes. And this makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, give a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.